Welcome back, science fans. There's been a ton of fantastic science news this week, but I'll make it easy and cover only what I think are the top 3. First though, if you like this channel, please subscribe. It really helps grow our audience. Now let's start with the first topic, which is, do we have free will? Stanford neurobiologist Robert Sapolsky has a fascinating take on this. He says, nope, we don't. For example, let's say you decide to pick up a pen. Sapolsky would argue that this choice was influenced by factors like your current emotional state, upbringing, and even your genetic makeup. These factors create a sort of algorithm that predicts your actions with unsettling accuracy, much like how social media algorithms predict what ads to show you based on your likes and clicks. Sapolsky has been studying human behavior and primates for over 40 years. His argument is rooted in neuroscience and biology. He believes that our actions are influenced by a myriad of factors that are beyond our conscious control. We're talking about neurochemical influences, genetic predispositions, and even the environment we grew up in. His work is deeply rooted in science. He examines the neurochemical processes that contribute to human behaviors and breaks down these influences as they occur across time. This happens before you make a decision, whether it's making a significant one that changes your life or choosing what to eat for breakfast. So, when you think you're making a free choice, what's actually happening is a culmination of various internal and external factors that have led you to that specific decision at that specific moment. In this view, free will becomes an illusion, an after-the-fact justification of events we've already been predisposed to carry out. It's not about neurotransmitters and neurons firing in your brain when you choose to do something. It's about a complex web of influences that predetermine our actions. And that's why Sapolsky and others in this field believe that our sense of free will may be more of an illusion than we'd like to admit. This is a controversial idea, and critics argue that it could be harmful. If we believe we have no control, what's to stop society from falling into chaos? But Sapolsky argues that understanding this could actually make society more compassionate. Next, let's dive into our second mind-blowing science news of the week. A new material that's lighter and stronger than steel. Imagine Iron Man needing a new suit. He has options now. Researchers have developed a glass nanolattice structure that's 5 times lighter and 4 times stronger than steel. And guess what? It's inspired by Iron Man himself. The secret behind this revolutionary material is a combination of a DNA structure and thin, flawless glass. Oleg Gang, a nanomaterials scientist at Columbia University, said that this material would be perfect for creating an improved armor for Iron Man. It's light enough to fly faster and strong enough to protect him from enemy attacks. Now you might be thinking, glass? Really? But here's the kicker. When glass is flawless, it can handle more pressure than iron. The team created this material by building a DNA lattice and coating it with a glass-like material only a few hundred atoms thick. This DNA skeleton reinforced the thin, flawless glass coating for strength, while the empty spaces in the material made it lighter. This isn't just about creating superhero suits. The researchers believe this material has enormous potential for engineering new technology. They're already experimenting with stronger carbide ceramics and different DNA structures to make the material even more robust. So, who knows? Maybe soon we'll be talking about Glassman as Iron Man's new sidekick. Finally, let's dive into the fascinating world of our ancient relatives. Imagine this. 250,000 years ago, a group of adventurous modern humans who were more like us than Neanderthals decided to leave Africa and explore Eurasia. These weren't just any humans. They were our ancient cousins, and they carried a genetic makeup that would eventually become part of the Neanderthal genome. Now, fast forward to 75,000 years ago. Another wave of modern humans makes the same journey and encounters Neanderthals. But guess what? The Neanderthals already had a piece of us in them, about 6% of their genome to be exact, thanks to that first group of explorers. This is where it gets even more intriguing. The study found that this ancient human DNA wasn't just randomly scattered throughout the Neanderthal genome. Most of it was in non-coding regions, which means it wasn't directly involved in making proteins. Why is that important? Well, it suggests that these ancient human genes might not have played well with the Neanderthal genes, possibly leading to less fit hybrids. It's like mixing 2 different recipes and ending up with a dish that's not quite right. And here's the kicker. This ancient human DNA is also found in modern sub-Saharan populations. From Cameroon to Ethiopia, traces of this ancient intermingling are still present in our DNA today. So the next time you think about your family tree, remember it's more like a tangled web, all mixed together from different points in time. This research doesn't just add a new branch to our family tree, It opens up a whole new avenue for understanding human evolution. It's like finding a missing puzzle piece that makes the entire picture come into focus. One of the most interesting aspects is the discovery of this ancient lineage of modern humans who were cousins to all humans alive today. This lineage has been missing from both the genomic and fossil records, making this an important discovery. It provides a new lens through which we can explore human evolution, especially since we don't have DNA sequences from modern human fossils from that long ago. So the next time someone talks about Neanderthals as if they were completely separate from us, you can say, actually, we're more connected than you think. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe because every new subscriber makes a difference in getting this channel discovered by new people. Until the next time,